Good morning, boys and girls. This is your overview video of the week for science, and we are in the week of February 1st through February 5th. When we go into Monday's folder, we can see that we are going to print a Unit 4 study guide. There are 2 pages. They are located here, page 1 and page 2. Today, you are going to use notes that you have taken, as well as your textbook, to complete what you can of this study guide. Try to do this on your own. On Wednesday, there will be a teacher video that will go over the study guide, so you can follow along and check your work. On Tuesday, we know that many of you will be on campus to complete the math benchmark assessment. So we will not have any additional assignments to do in science for today. On Wednesday, you are going to get your completed study guide that you started working on Monday, and you're going to watch this teacher video and follow along to check your work. You can make any necessary changes so that you have all of the correct information. Then on Thursday, you are going to use that study guide and your notes to complete the Unit 4 test. Please take your time. If for some reason you have any problems with the Unit 4 test, please let me know. Now on Friday, we've given you guys some extra time today to use the time that you would normally spend working on science to work on that nonfiction text feature in reading. Remember, you're choosing one of the texts you read this week, and you are choosing to create an additional visual, a nonfiction text feature that could enhance that text. Let me know if you guys have any questions about this week in science.